Of course, there may be some other sort of worships in different countries also. Methods may differ. The method must be simple, first thing. And purification is the work of the master and the taught also. That should be done by both. Then you shine out. We generally look towards our physical body. We do not look towards the astral body, which is our own. That is the other difference. We take care of this body or this personality, but we do not pay attention to the inner, which is a real being, hidden in some corner of our thought. We have not to seek him. We have not to seek him. He himself seeks you. Provided you are prepared for it, you will feel some stone, you will not feel any stone lying on the street which is fit for the building. If you are fit for that edifice, then of course everything comes to you. So try to be fit. Down. Here.
Master, how to tell people in the West what meditation is?
Just as you do. I have very recently said in some letter, meditation is the churning of milk to obtain cream. That is the churning of the milk to obtain cream. That is, I think, the latest definition of mine.
And how to define transmission which we receive in this system?
How to give?
Define transmission?
Well, that experience teaches us. What is the necessity and how to transmit. Or simply you transmit. The abhyas will improve. Go on transmitting it. Cleaning and transmitting. He will improve. Even you do not know what is to be, what is to come further on. But it will come.
Master, why did God create this universe?
Oh, that is a very difficult subject. May I take it religious way?
Yes.
Or scientific way?
Spiritual way.
Spiritual way. Well, there is power around the center, around the real center of God. Now when the time for creation came, it produced Easter. When Easter is there, bubbles are also there. So really we have bubbled up by that Easter. Short answer. And scientific way is something else.
Yes.
Scientific way is energy if maintained in a bottle or in anything for millions of years, it will lose its effect. It will become dormant. It will lose its effect at all. So energy was there. God, when saw that I shall lose myself, or in other words, I will meet the death. Because if that energy is silent, there is no God and no creation. Therefore, he began to send power beyond his own sphere, and the creation was the result. So in order to preserve him, he created world. That is. Am I clear?
Yes.
Dr. Murthy, I am clear?
Yes.
Or I am saying another way. it is necessary.
Many people in the West ask why it's necessary to have a guru in meditation.
Why do you go to the school? Tell him first. You simply sit in the class and sit like fools, that's all. So class is there, but master there should be. And there are other reasons also for the meditation. It keeps you calm. It keeps you away from many bad thoughts. It brings you in contact. It brings into contact with God. That's so many reasons. Any other thing?
Yesterday you were talking about love. What is love?
Opening yourself to reality or divinity
Is love.
is love. When we are open, in a way, the creation is a win. We are opened everything to Him. There is nothing between myself and God. I don't know whether I spoke this word correctly.
Yes. Then only a real master can give real love all the time. Is that correct?
Well, how to love? You should ask this question, how to love?
Yes. How to
By remembrance. If you love anybody, you will remember. And if you begin to remember him, you will begin to love him. That is the only way.
Supposing one doesn't know how to love, and he take up to meditation and attain the end.
And he takes the meditation. Of course, meditation, if he is interested in meditation, it itself created. And if he is not interested, no. Of course, by transmission, light goes, that nobody can. Even if you give to a dacoit, the light will go.
Now then, Master, we have so many gurus and so many abhyasis taking up to yoga. Are there any categories among gurus and abhyasis?
Well, if divine qualities are there in Guru, he can be selected. The other quality is that he can transmit his own force. And Swami Vivekananda also said, there are gurus who can lead me to perfection. But I want such a guru who may utilize his own power for our perfection. That guru is needed. Because time is saved, but you should be interested